Yung good morning na ganito, ay nako, napakasarap. Hi, sunshine! Napakainit dito sa Pilipinas. So, we're so lucky today kasi nga we got some sunshine. I don't know. Pa, din si James! My mom in the hotel, I think. Hi, Archie. Jan. No, she been out this morning. She was in the market when I called her. I don't know about James. Paddy si James. And wow, look at the view. It's perfect. Oh, Archie got some fish. Can I see the fish, please? No, you don't need to touch, baby. No, I just wanna. It's a little fish somewhere there.
It's there.
It's hiding. Yeah, it's hiding there. Dyan. Nag-blur lang ako ng phone. Tara dyan. So, ma-walk lang kami dito sa beach. Kasi nga napakaaga pa. And then, naghanap kami ng private boat for tomorrow. Kasi nga, it's too expensive dito sa El Nido. Makatai-tai ang presyo ng kanilang tour. Lalo nadala ko yung family ko. Nababangkap talaga ang bangko. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, damo yung shell pa, oh. Dahil ang ng tour dito napakamahal. Lalo na pagpupunta ka ng agency in the town. I think they charge you like 3,200 per person. And we have 10 and 2 baby. Napakamahal. So yan yung sa private tour. And then if you want to do the joiner, napakamahal. So, it's 1,200 for the tour A. And then you need to pay 400 for the tax and 200 for the entrance fee. So, it's like 1,800. Oh, it's starfish na sa baby one. Oh! Where is the little hand? Where is the little no legs? Oh!
Where's his head?
I don't know.
What's his head? In the water.
Oh dear.
What's in the water, dying?
So napakamahal. I-compare mo dun sa Coron kasi sa Coron nakakita kami ng deal doon. Dito sa El Nido lahat talaga grabe. So parang for the 10 packs kami. For the 10 packs. So mga 20. Yung isa 30,000 yung singil sa amin. Parang talaga nakakabutas ka muna. Pero okay lang kasi nga minsan lang kaya naglakad-lakad kami. So we need to try to get some shipping. Archie, dyan! Yung pinakamura na baka may makuha kaming mura na boat. Hindi naman pinakamura, yun parang kasi nga napakamahal, grabe. So, kung i-take mo yung family mo dito sa El Nido, you need to have like maybe 30,000 for the tour. And then, but it's include the food, tapos yung entrance, and also for the taxes. So, for the taxes, 400 pesos per person. Kaya yun yung nagpamahal masyado.